So we did start the motor. It did run. So we started taking it apart. The front tire had a big hole in the inner tube. The gas tank is going to need some relining. And we took the chrome luggage rack off the back. And the rebuild will begin. So the frame was blasted. It had a couple cracks in it. They were re-welded, then blasted. And then I repainted it a blue that I liked. Took the old kick arm and the old shift arm off the motor. Cleaned the motor up, put a new air cleaner on it, put a new shifter arm. Turned out nice. Put a new kick arm on it, put a new spark plug in it, and it's ready to go back into the frame.